We are now going to be doing the overlay pearl. I sculpted out these free edges. I did these. Tracey did not. Just want to make that clear.
Did nicely.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And this is going to serve as our guide for the overlay pearl, correct?
Correct.
Okay.
So basically, now you just have longer natural nails. If you want to look at it that way.
Oh, that's a really good way of putting it.
Just an overlay at this point.
Okay, so just our guide. Now I'm just going to overlay it. What am I trying to accomplish?
So larger pearl than you would just on like my natural nail.
Okay. And consistency wise, a little bit more on the wet side.
Correct.
Right.
Because we're going to let it run. We're going to let gravity work with us like we did in the overlays.
Okay.
And also giving you the chance to walk it to the cuticle area because acrylic's at its best adhesion when you first lay it down.
Got it. Okay. Shall we go?
Let's do it.
All right. And just go ahead and lay it down.
Go ahead and lay it down.
Keep that finger pointed down.
See how it just makes
it just flows
away from the cuticle.
Yeah.
You know, we get afraid of the larger pearls, but if we're holding it away, it won't go into the sidewalls or the cuticle area.
Yeah, that's kind of crazy actually. I'm not really doing a whole lot. Do I need to brush it forward now?
Yeah, let's brush it forward.
Just at the front, right?
Yeah.
I feel like it's kind of drying already.
Then use the body of the brush. It's always workable. We just need more pressure. So you probably let it float a little longer than you should have. I like to use the body of the brush more and make it go where I want.
Wow.
Yeah?
Yeah, not bad.
Okay, let's take a look. Nice around the cuticles. Awesome. The only thing we're just missing
Little spot there. Okay, so now I want to drop just a little bit of acrylic right here and just kind of brush it forward.
Yeah, get it to flow. You know, tuck it to the cuticle, and you're gonna cover that.
Oh wow, I missed that whole area.
But that's okay.
Okay.
But you gotta twist those fingers and check all angles.
Totally.
Probably a little too much.
That's too much?
Yep.
Okay. That?
Yeah.
Is that good?
Yep. Yep. Go straight to it so you can flush it around the cuticle.
That's probably a little too much.
That's okay. We'll use it through the body. Pull it all the way through.
Setting up quick.
It's warm in here, so that's why like the first 3 nails you're getting a feel, right?
Yeah.
So this is okay. We still need to fill the hole.
Oh my gosh.
That's okay. We can file.
Yeah.
But that just tells us that you're gonna work straight, you know, wetter.
Yeah, okay. So get even more wet.
So this one, I want you to drain a lot off your brush. Just get a lot off your brush.
Okay.
And you're just gonna barely touch the tip, and then you're just gonna drain it a little bit, and you're gonna pop it in the pothole. Wipe your brush off, and then just blend it through. I like this because we all get potholes sometimes. And what we tend to do is we put it into wet, and then we wipe it off. So we have to fill it again. But that little trick of like drain it, pop it in there, you want it really set up for the potholes.
Okay. So is that filled in?
You are filled in. We have plenty of product, right?
Yeah.
We're looking at it from no biggie.
Yeah. So we're gonna file it.
Yeah, but you're gonna get, now it's gonna work better. You know that we gotta work a little wetter.
Yeah.
Because it is setting up faster on you.
So
a little wetter, right? We're not gonna hold the finger down as long because it's set up on you really quick. So, you know, maybe like 3 to 5 seconds, and then we're gonna pull it up, and then you can blend it through.
Okay. Oh, this one's much better.
Yeah. You know, it's starting to set up, so you can use the body of the brush a little bit more. The more it sets up, the more we just put more pressure behind it.
Yeah, I see.
Okay, I don't know what you're doing.
All right, check it out.
It's just like, I'm gonna pet it. Nice acrylic. Nice acrylic. I think it's good, but I want you to check it from every angle.
Yeah, I can see I need a little bit right there.
Do you?
Yeah, and that little low spot in the front.
Okay.
Right?
Yep. Just a pop though.
Yeah.
Because you do have a lot of acrylic, so we have room for filing. So sometimes we try to make something even, and we're just building up where we were going to file it off anyway.
That looks like it's a little thin there. A little bit,
yeah.
Right?
Yep. But how about everything else?
Looks like there's a nice arch.
Yep.
There's product there. I think overall, just right there in that front spot, right?
Yep.
Do this way or just lay it down?
Either way, I just lay it down. Greg does the fancy twisty thingy and blends it in. I'm like, I don't care. Okay. Just feather it up.
Forward?
Yep.
Brush it forward?
A little bit. Blends it in. And then we walk away.
Okay.
We don't need to pet
I
our
got you.
acrylic.
Meow.
It's a good acrylic, we know, but we don't need to pet it.
So yeah, this time I was a lot more conscious about like both sides. Like boom, turn the finger.
Yep.
That helped a lot.
And the only other thing I'll say is it is kind of squeezing out on the sides on you
Yeah,
when
I
you
can
lay it
see
down.
it's kind of bulbous.
It's the way you're laying it down. You're putting pressure, remember? Like get it off your brush so it's still round without pushing it out.
So I'm pressing down
You're
a little
pressing
bit?
a little bit.
Okay. All right.
And I'm going to let you just go at this one.
Okay, third time's a charm.
Yep. Don't turn yourself, turn my finger.
Maybe I can just move a little bulk over this way.
Yeah. By
Right.
pushing pressure on the brush.
By putting pressure on the brush.
Yeah. Okay. Awesome. You made it longer than your
I know.
extension.
I grabbed more.
You grabbed
That's
a lot.
okay.
It doesn't, but look at
Yeah.
it looks. I mean, I'm gonna let you look at it from all your point of views.
Here, looks like I probably need a little bit on this side.
Well, let's think.
Or can I press it out?
Where's your sidewall coming out from?
Sidewall's coming out.
So
there.
just
Like right there.
Just
right
a pop.
There. Just a
This
pop.
doesn't matter because it's
Yeah.
hanging past. So we're gonna file that up.
Okay.
So when we're looking at that, we got to decide like where's that groove coming out and where do I need that
like
product?
Right there,
Yep.
right. So I just need to add a little bit there.
Yep.
But looks like there's a nice upper arch.
Yep.
Cuticle area. Does that, like right there, does it look like it's a little bare in the cuticle area?
Just a tad, but I think you could hit that and pull it forward and get rid of your pothole at the same time.
Okay.
Don't be afraid to use the body if you need it.
Hmm.
Here it is.
It's okay?
Looks good to me.
No,
I know you're freaking out about the little bumps.
Yeah, I am. But
is that
it's
gonna matter?
File, no. But do I still? I don't think I think I got maybe the cuticle area, but
So if I hold this straight, you're good.
oh, it's gonna come out like that.
Yep.
Okay.
So this is I do this sometimes myself. Like I'll get something straight and I'll hold it across, just straight out from that sidewall and look and like, nope, that's where I'm gonna file everything up. It's gonna be good.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, a little bit longer, bigger pearl, but in the end, we're gonna be able to file that.
Yeah.
And it should be okay. So let me ask you this: like, you can see where I added here.
Yeah.
Is that not gonna make a difference when I file? That'll all go away when I
It'll
shape and
all
file.
Go away.
Okay.
And that's why we don't worry, because so when I first started, or probably 6 years into my career, I would have obsessed about this, right?
Yeah.
I would have been like, okay, I need to make it even, and then I add more, and I
Yeah.
end up with a beautiful even 2x4 that I have to file.
You gotta file anyway.
So this is going to take 2 seconds to blend in with your e-file. Why add product
Right.
and waste product?
Right. Okay. Okay. Cool.
Good job.
Yep.
Subscribe the channel now. Subscribe the channel now. Subbing and subscribing the channel